Hello, my name is Madhurika and welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about traveling and speaking foreign languages, and today's video is going to be about reasons to learn Korean. And why we are doing this video is because we have introduced a new language, a Korean language, to our foreign language courses, and here are some reasons of why you should start learning Korean. The number one reason is why you should start learning Korean, because it sounds so sweet and unique and really different. And by really different, I mean that their manners is shown even in their language while they speak. And anytime and whenever I hear any Korean talking, I feel it's really very mannerful and very polite way of saying no matter what conversation we are having, so you can never sound angry in Korean. Reason number two is K-drama. Now K-drama has become very popular because of Netflix, of course. There is so many K-drama series that is out there, Crash Landing and You and so on. And these K-drama series is very unique because they don't release a number of seasons. They only have limited number of episodes and series, and also it's very emotional and sentimental. And if you're someone who likes to watch something emotional and also has a love story, then K-drama is definitely for you. Reason number three is Korean music. Now the Korean music got very popular when the Gangnam Style hit, which crossed around 1 billion views on the internet. It was the first video on the internet to cross 1 billion views, and it was all over the world. And apart from that, there is K-pop, which was introduced, and which is notably very unique kind of music, and it has number of followers. And if you're into K-pop, Korean should be on your list to learn the language. Reason number four, this is again my favorite one, which is Korean food. Now Korean food is one of the most unique food that I've ever had. I must really emphasize on Korean barbecue, of how amazing it is and how much of variety is had. And please do not mistake Korean food as any other Asian food, because it's not at all like Asian food. It has its own variety and its own tradition involved in it. And I must recommend, if you're a foodie and if you wish to try and know more about the Korean food, you should start learning Korean and start pronouncing their dishes, because it's really amazing. I mean, kimchi, have you tried it? Reason number five is Korean economy. Now Korean economy is booming, and there is a lot of technology that is coming up. Lot of Korean brands which are worldwide and growing in multinational companies. It's like LG and Samsung, and there is a lot of opportunity for every one of us to go and work in Korea and also work in this Korean brands which is there in our country as well. So Korean economy is one of the prominent reasons to start learning Korean, because working in Korean banks and these companies will definitely give you a career growth and a good pay. Reason number six is Korean beauty. Now Korean beauty, the 6-step routine of Korean beauty is the world famous, and if you're into skincare and beauty, language will definitely give you more knowledge on this industry. It has a huge market in Korea and worldwide. So if you're a beauty blogger and have interest in this industry, Korean is the language you should opt for to get more knowledge and grow in it. Reason number six is travel. Now Korea is one of the destinations to travel in the future. It is one of those unique countries which is not replaced by any other country. Seoul, the capital of Korea, brings a lot of tourists every year, and it is also the mix of tradition and modernity, and you will definitely enjoy both of it if you're into travel. There are so many islands and hikes in Korea which are well known, and if you're a travel enthusiast, then add South Korea to your bucket list and start learning Korean. With the way we go. Last but not the least is start teaching English. Now, a lot of schools and colleges and also private institutes require teachers who can teach English to Korean students. So if you learn Korean and if you are already a teacher or aspire to be an English teacher, it's a great opportunity for you to go in Korea and teach English and also experience the life of living abroad. So that was it from my side. These were some of the reasons of why you should start learning Korean language. And if you have some of your reason why one should learn Korean, or if you're already learning Korean, then do comment down below. So do not forget to check our Instagram page, because we are posting a lot about Korean language, their culture, and also about other foreign languages. And if you want to start learning Korean, then the link is in the description. To book your courses, contact us, and see you next time. Like, share,